Hey guys,
What's up, guys? In today's video, we are going to let's check out the pipe underneath us. So let's go. Alright, so I guess we're gonna need some weapons if we're gonna survive.
you have ammo for this?
No, I don't.
I kinda need some ammo. Yo bro, do you have
Take a
ammo?
revolver.
Yeah,
I don't have a
got
revolver.
you, bro.
Alright,
I got
So-
ammo for you.
and then we need oh yeah, in a previous video, we tried this. Okay. And I have a Game Boy in my bag, so I don't need
I
that.
want the Game Boy.
Alright, so you need a bag, a pickaxe,
I don't have a pickaxe.
a light, and a revolver. Right here.
I have pickaxe, but like I only have 52 things.
Alright, you ready, guys? 3,
Yeah.
2, 1.
Guys, I think I'm a little too fat to get in here.
Go!
I think I'm a little fat to get in here.
Yay! Okay, let's go.
Oh my goodness. Not this guy. I forgot. Oh my gosh, watch out, guys.
Hit the box.
I forgot to get a grappler, guys.
Oh, I mean, you can't really use it anyway, so. Can you revive me? That was kind of embarrassing.
I'm gonna be right back. Don't revive me.
Revive me, please. Okay, so guys, that was a mistake. So let's check things out, okay?
You're finna get shot, you ugly little monkey.
Dude, come on.
Wait for me.
Okay, wait, what did you get?
Okay, I'm ready.
Let's go.
I know where to go.
Can you wait for me? I'm too fat.
Okay. So we gotta wait for this guy? Oh, what was that? Is that a flashbang?
I'm at the stairs to be calm.
Here, eat this. Eat this. Yo, bro, eat this. It's an MRE. Eat this. It's an MRE.
Oh,
The nether.
alright. So let's go check out what else is in this pipe. Oh, so it's technically just mini sewers?
It's sewers.
Oh, it is sewers.
You didn't know that? You didn't know that? You didn't know that? I thought the bomb was useless. You know you can do that to the monster.
You know what? We should take some stuff with us. We just take some stuff with us. Like some gold and stuff. Stuff like that.
Did he die? Where are you?
Bomb!
I'll say save all of you.
Oh, you killed him?
I'm trying to find.
Boys, take some gold and stuff with us.
I need to get RME.
Oh, what?
Guys, I don't have any RME.
Oh my gosh.
So let's just go this way. Wait, what?
Hold on, wait for me, guys.
Guys, what way did we come from? Do you guys know the way around sewers?
This way. It's this way.
I don't, so you guys can teach me some stuff.
Guys, I'm a little too fast. I ate too much food.
Stay out of the hole.
Guys, I'm a little too fast.
I'm just kidding.
I'm a little too fast.
Stay out the hole right now.
What was that?
Go back up. Like that. I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding.
Isn't Haunted Lady here? Oh,
No.
Yeah.
No, it's on the next one.
Oh, that's true.
oh, no, I hate Haunted Lady. If I'm gonna turn this down just in case if she comes. So if you guys could talk a little bit louder, that'd be nice.
Guys, turn off our lights right now. She's going to be in there. Turn off it now. I'm warning you.
Guys, we gotta stick together. Okay, we gotta stick
You
together.
have a flashlight. Turn off that. You can die. Just turn off it. She's here. She's here. She's here. I promise. I promise. Just
You
turn it
guys go in
off.
front. You guys go in front. I'm good.
Oh, I didn't know. That's pretty cool.
Oh,
Guys, what
you guys
what
go
are you doing?
ahead. And I'm gonna be down
What
here.
are you doing? That's not. No!
No! Oh no! No, we died, dude.
Did both of y'all die?
Well, if you guys want a part
Did
2,
both of y'all die?
this
'Cause I'm about to
video
die.
has to get 50 likes, and I will do a
Okay,
part
I'm
2
dying.
of what is down in that hole. So make sure to like if you want that, and subscribe if you want more content like this. So
Yes.
hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. See you
Now
all in
watch
the next
this.
one. Bye.